Hi friends, today we are going to discuss a new chapter from Social Science 2. It is the 7th chapter, India, the land of diversities. First question, physiographic divisions of India. India is divided into 5 physiographic divisions. They are Northern Mountain Ranges, Northern Great Plains, Peninsular Plateau, Coastal Plains and Islands. Then Northern Mountain Ranges. The mountain ranges starting from the northwest of Kashmir and extending up to the eastern boundary of India. This is known as Northern Mountain Ranges. And then classification of Northern Mountains. Northern Mountain Ranges divided into 3. First one Trans-Himalaya, then Himalaya and Eastern Highlands. Trans-Himalaya divided again into 3, Karakoram, Ladakh, Saskar. And Himalaya again divided into 3, Himadri, Himachal and Sivalik. In the case of Eastern Highlands, Patkai Boom, Naga Hills, Garo, Khasi and Jaintia Hills, Mizo Hills. These are the classification of northern mountain ranges. Write the features of Trans-Himalaya. Include Karakoram, Ladakh and Saskar. The highest peak in India, Mount K2, that is also known as Godwin Austen, situated in Karakoram ranges. And average height is 6,000 meters. Then list out the features of Himalaya. Situated between Trans-Himalayas and Eastern Highlands. Length is about 2,400 kilometers. Many of the world's highest peaks are situated in Himalayas. Height of mountains decrease towards east. Himadri, Himachal and Sivaliks are the parallel mountain ranges included in this. Okay, these are the features of Himalaya. Then Himadri, Himachal and Sivalik, we can study detail about these mountain ranges. Himadri, the highest mountain range, average height is 6,000 meters, origin of rivers Ganga and Brahmaputra. Okay, has a number of peaks above 8,000 meters. Kanchenjunga and Nanda Devi. Himachal, situated to the south of Himadri, average altitude is 3,000 meters. Tourist hill stations existing here, for example, Shimla and Darjeeling. Sivaliks, situated to the south of Himachal, average altitude is 1,220 meters. As the rivers cut across this range, its continuity breaks many places. Formation of broad valley called dunes. Okay, for example, Dehradun. Next, explain about the Eastern Highlands. Mountain ranges are an altitude from 500 to 3,000 meters. Also known as Purvachal. Cherrapunji, the place receiving highest rainfall in the world, situated here, were Eastern Highlands, and covered by dense tropical rainforests. Availability of fertile mountain soil. These are the features of Eastern Highlands. Write the names of major Himalayan rivers: Sindhu, Ganga and Brahmaputra. Sindhu, its origin from Manas Sarovar, like Tibet. Its tributaries Jhelum, Ravi, Chenab, Bias and Satluj. In the case of Ganga, its origin from Komuk caves in the Gangotri Glacier. Yamuna, Gomati, Ghandak, Son and Kosi are tributaries. Brahmaputra, Chamayungtung Glacier, the Gangaputra River origin from Chamayungtung Glacier. Tista, Subansiri, Manas, Lohits are the tributaries of Brahmaputra. Okay, then Brahmaputra, other names. In Bangladesh, Brahmaputra is known as Jamuna. In Tibet, it is known as Sangpo. Okay. The next question, list the peninsular rivers as west flowing rivers, east flowing rivers. We have to divide it like this, west flowing rivers and east flowing rivers. The west flowing rivers, Narmada and Tapti. These are the west flowing peninsular rivers. And Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri are east flowing rivers. Next, prepare a table on peninsular rivers including the details, origin, length and tributaries. Mahanadi, Maikala Ranges, Madhya Pradesh, 857 km. Its length. Ib and Tel are tributaries. Godavari, Western Ghats, Nasik, Maharashtra, and length is 1465 kilometers. Indravati and Shabari are the tributaries. The river Krishna, its origin Western Ghats and its length 1400 km. Bhima and Tungabhadra are tributaries. Kaveri, Brahmagiri Ranges, Western Ghats, Karnataka, and length is 800 km. Kabani, Amaravati are the tributaries. River Narmada, Maikala Ranges, Chhattisgarh, 1312 km. Hiran and Bhanjan are tributaries. Tapti, River Tapti, Muntai Plateau, Baitul Dist, Maharashtra, 724 kilometers. Anar and Girna are tributaries. Then compare Himalayan rivers with peninsular rivers. Himalayan rivers originate from Himalayas. Extensive catchment area, intensive erosion creates gorges and mentors. High irrigation potential. High potential for inland navigation. And in the case of peninsular rivers, originate from peninsular mountains. Smaller catchment area, less intensity of erosion. Do not create deep valleys. Less irrigation potential and low potential for inland navigation. These are the comparison of Himalayan rivers and peninsular rivers. Next, what are the features of Indian coastal plain? The Indian coastal plain we can divide into two. Western Coastal Plain and Eastern Coastal Plain. The features of Western Coastal Plain are: it is situated between Arabian Sea and Western Ghats. From Rann of Kutch to Kanyakumari, Rann of Kutch of Gujarat, to Kanyakumari, comparatively narrow, can be divided into Gujarat coast, Konkan coast and Malabar coast. Backwaters and estuaries are seen. And in the case of Eastern Coastal Plain, it is situated between Bay of Bengal and Eastern Ghats. From Sundarbans to Kanyakumari, comparatively wide, can be divided into North Zirkar and Coromandel coast, and delta formation take place. Next question, seasons of India. Seasons in India: cold weather season, hot weather season, southwest monsoon season. Explain about the southwest monsoon season in India. Comes in the months of June, July, August and September. When the sun is in the northern hemisphere, North Indian region experience intense low pressure owing to the high pressure over oceans. Wind blows from high pressure to low pressure regions, that is, from the Indian Ocean to the Indian subcontinent. Due to Coriolis effect, they reach India as southwest monsoon winds. Okay. On entering the land, it bifurcates into two branches as Arabian Sea branch and Bay of Bengal branch. Arabian Sea branch reaches Kerala by early June, causes heavy rainfall here. Then it advances to the states Karnataka, Goa, Maharashtra and Gujarat and causes rainfall. From Gujarat, it blows parallel to the Aravalli mountain ranges and causes scarcity of rain in Rajasthan. Bay of Bengal branch advances northward by absorbing moisture from Bay of Bengal. Okay. It reaches Bengal and crosses Sundarban Delta and bifurcates into two branches. One branch reaches the northeastern states and causes rainfall there. The other branch enters Ganga plains and causes rainfall in West Bengal, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, etc. This branch merges with the Arabian Sea branch in the Punjab plains and advances north, causes rainfall in foothills of Himalayas. Then, retreating monsoon season. In the months of October and November, retreating monsoon season experiences in India. By the end of September, sun apparently shifts towards the southern hemisphere, thus high pressure develops over the northern plains. Because of low pressure in Indian Ocean, wind blows from North India to Indian Ocean. These winds generally known as northeast monsoon. This dry wind never causes rain in the major parts of India. This is actually a transition period between the rainy season and forthcoming winter. Okay. This season becomes unbearable due to high temperature and humidity. This phenomenon known as October heat. The winds blowing from land to sea due to the attraction of low pressure over Bay of Bengal takes a northeast to southwest direction. It absorbs moisture from Bay of Bengal and causes heavy rainfall in Coromandel coast, especially the Tamil Nadu coast. Okay. It also causes for rainfall in Kerala, some part of Karnataka. Okay. It is known as Tula Varsha in Kerala. Okay, friends. Today we discuss about 7th chapter, the land of diversities. Okay. Thank you.